Today is Wednesday, Parashat Korach. The Mishnah in Pirkei Avot says, "Kin'a ve'ata'ava ve'akavod motzi'im et ha'adam min ha'olam." Kin'a, jealousy; ta'ava, lust or greed or seeking physical pleasures. Kavod is running after honor. These three things can take a person out of this world. And we see in the book of Bereshit, the first murder, the first crime in the world is when Cain killed his brother Hevel. Why? Because he was jealous of him. Cain had brought offerings to Hashem and Hevel also. Hashem accepted Hevel's offering and did not accept Cain's offering, which was just a very low-grade type of plants of linen, of flax, when Hevel brought the sheep. That jealousy that was in the heart of Cain sort of percolated and caused him to kill Hevel. First murder, first crime between two brothers. Then we have the story, Noach, the great sin of the people, the generation of Noach, that were punished with the Mabul, the great flood, was they went after their physical pleasures. What mattered is how pleasurable physically things would be without any respect for the laws of traditional family life. Then we have the people of the Tower of Babel, who built this. It was the first skyscraper in the world, and their whole thing was to make them a name. They wanted to have a great reputation. All they sought is honor. Those three stories represent kin'a, ta'ava, ve'kavod, that take a person out of their world. And of course, three stories tell us about definite sort of destruction that resulted from the acts that were motivated by kin'a, ta'ava, ve'kavod. Parasha of this week, Korach, who was a very wealthy man. Actually, we have an expression, Mamon Korach. When somebody is extremely wealthy, we say he has the money of Korach. He was a wise man. He had an important function as one of the Leviim. He was one of the ones that were carrying the Aron Kodesh. Yet, because of jealousy from Moshe and Aaron, and from jealousy for the appointment of a cousin for another position of importance, he's motivated to organize a rebellion and a mutiny against Moshe and Aaron, something that ended up costing him his life by the earth opening and swallowing him up. Again, another example of the horrible consequences when a person lets jealousy come into his heart and motivate his actions. So this Mishnah that speaks about kin'a, ta'ava, and kavod, kin'a has another example in the parasha of this week. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.